For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Upgrade Safe Mandoline Slicer Plus by SupMaKin has genuinely made my kitchen life easier, and I want to share how. If you're like me, someone who meal preps regularly, you'll appreciate how fast and safe this tool is. The wider entrance, 3.9 by 4.7 inches, handles bigger veggies like potatoes and tomatoes with no struggle, and it's especially helpful when I'm dicing bulk salad ingredients for the week. One thing that impressed me was how this tool lets you adjust thickness from 0.1 mm to 8 mm, over 40 different slicing styles, and I never had to change a blade. I remember using it to prep a large batch of stir-fry veggies. Everything came out evenly sliced, and it saved me at least 30 minutes compared to doing it all by hand. The rebound handle mechanism really reduces fatigue. Pressing down and letting it bounce back up feels almost automatic. As someone who's tried many slicers, this one stood out for how much effort it saves. The 420 stainless steel built-in blades are not only rust-resistant but also sharp and consistent. I even checked that the plastic is BPA-free, which matters to me when prepping food for my kids. It's made of eco-friendly ABS, and thanks to the non-slip silicone base and tripod stand, I never have to worry about it sliding mid-use. That's a big deal because I once had a slicer that slipped while I was cutting onions, and let's just say, I never used that one again. Cleaning up is easy, too. The one-click disassembly and dishwasher-safe parts make it super convenient, and the included cleaning brush helps with the blade area.